Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I brought you another interesting video today. Have you ever wondered how to push your Ghost of Tsushima FPS even higher? Well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable DLSS Frame Generation for RTX 20 or 30 series users using just two simple files. No any kind of mods required. Let's get straight into the video. First things first, you need to download the tree specific files I'm demonstrating. You can find of these essential files on Nexus Mods and GitHub website. To make things super easy for you, I'll add the direct download links to the pinned comment below this video. Once these three files are downloaded, go to your downloads folder and find the DLSS to FSR.zip file, just like I'm showing here. Now you need to extract using those files directly into the folder where your Ghost of Tsushima game is installed. And make sure you extract it to the directory containing the main games.exe file. It should look something like this. Now open this DLSS to FSR.zip file using WinRAR or 7-zip. And then navigate to the folder called dbghelp. Double click to open it. Now extract these two DLL files into the folder where the Ghost of Tsushima.exe is located, just like I'm showing here. Now close the 7-zip window. Next, let's extract the DLSS tweaker file. You only need to extract one file from it, the enable NVIDIA signature override.reg file. Just select this file and drag and drop it into the folder where the Ghost of Tsushima.exe is located. Once extracted, double-click the enable NVIDIA signature override.reg file. A prompt will appear. Click yes to apply the changes and then click the OK button to confirm. Now, open the downloaded NVIDIA Inspector folder. Then double-click the NVIDIA Inspector.exe file to open NVIDIA Inspector, then follow my instructions to tweak the settings. Now, in the profile search bar, search for Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut. Then, under the common settings, change the DLSSFG multi-frame generation count to 2x. Now, click the apply button to confirm these settings, activating in game mode. Now, type NVIDIA app into the Windows search bar and click to open it. Once open, go to the graphics settings, select the Ghost of Tsushima game icon and choose the global settings tab. First, change the DLSS model presets to latest and click apply. Next, select the DLSS override super resolution mode and choose DLAA. Then click apply again. You can now close the NVIDIA control panel. Now go to the Ghost of Tsushima launcher options panel. Under the DLSS settings, set the upscaler to balanced mode. You should now see that DLSS frame generation is available for use even if you are on an RTX 30 series GPU. Finally, select DLSS frame generation and launch the game. Now you can enjoy the significantly smoother performance. I need to mention that while this method delivers a phenomenal FPS boost, but you will encounter two known graphical issues. First one is shadow glitching. You may see some minor, sporadic glitches with the game shadows. Second one is cutscene glitches. During in-game cutscenes, you might experience occasional screen flickering. If you are comfortable accepting these minor visual trade-offs for a massive gain in performance, then this tutorial is for you. There you have it, guys. We have successfully utilized this clever tree file method to inject DLSS frame generation into Ghost of Tsushima, giving you a massive performance uplift without relying on complex unofficial mods. So, my friends, if you found this video helpful or interesting, please do me a massive favor. Hit that like button and share this tutorial with your fellow gamers. And make sure to subscribe and join our community so you don't miss any more extreme optimization tips and interesting videos. Until we meet again in another interesting video, I wish you all a very good day.